It's a 2010 Acura TSX. This TSX is a case study in luxury, agility, and sportiness. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2 inch wider track. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.